Hey, I cannot even call it a heartbreak because you were never mine to take, kissing in the shadows, dancing in the rain, but in reality, my fate is vain. The unspoken words never reached your ears. In my dream, you're mine, and it's been years. Your eyes made the promises you never kept, and ultimately, I accepted my fate. Wishing a day you feel the love that keeps me alive and is all I have. Not a vampire to compel you to feel the same. Love isn't a race, a casino, or a game. Revisit a part of what's mine and come back home, treasuring the moments we spent once, secretly praying life for another chance. You and me, together, dancing and baking, talking and singing, like the images in my mind, still realizing, still weeping, because I cannot even call it a heartbreak as you were never mine to take. One of my favorites from my latest book, Devilon.